Guys, it is July 5th, 2022. This one here, I put a state water heater in for this lady less than a year ago, and I had a bad gas valve that I had to go through Rheem to get it. It was a pain in the ass, and thing died again. So they think it's another gas valve that's bad. Still within the 1 year. Had all kinds of problems with these gas valves. They sent me the same kind of gas valve that was in there originally the first time, but I do have some other gas valves that I picked up to have in the truck. Probably just gonna throw one of them in it. I mean, it's trying to get the replacement gas valve and everything. It's just a pain in the ass. Gotta call these flipping idiots, and they ship it to the person's house, and they've got no flipping hot water for weeks. Lady's all pissed off at me. I mean, I'll never install another Rudd or Rheem water heater in my life. Big mistake, Miss Molly. But anyway, I got another valve right there. I'm gonna go by and see if I can, if the pilot won't stay lit, I'll just change the valve out. I think I got two other ones in my garage. I got three altogether. I picked up because I know they're having problems with them, and they're hard to get the valves. A lot of times you call, they don't even have the valves. They're on back order, and what a flipping shit show. The real shit show, Miss Molly. Oh yeah, it's a real shit show, Miss Molly. Say if it's under warranty and then I go run and get it and come back, I mean, just the amount of time that I'm wasting back and forth. Oh, not even worth it. Not even worth it. Alright, so I replaced it with a White Rogers valve. This piece of shit that they sent me that was on the warranty. Today's 7/5. So what'd that last? 5 months. Hasn't even been a year. This tank's been in. That one was on the warranty, and I had this one. Fucking nuts. I had that other one in my truck. I got like 3 of them in my truck. Houston, we have ignition. Alright, so I got it set there. These White Rogers are good valves. It's got a long shank on it. You gotta get one that's got a long shank. It's gotta be the right pressure. Replace gas valve. That's when I put the tank in right there. Not even a year old. Unbelievable. Second bad valve. Second valve that's bad. I'd never buy one of these, or a Rheem or Rudd water heaters. Forget it. Never again. Alright, so these are the valves that are a problem. These are the ones. These are the ones. See that little white thing that comes in there? That's what the problem is. Going in the trash, mama.